students, now we will be using the algebraic identity a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b to factorize 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now first we should know what is the 8a cube is the cube of 2a and b cube is the cube of b. So now we are knowing what is our a and what is our b. Now here we will take common between these two. Now between 12 and 6 we can take 6 common. A square and a will be common. Between b and b square, b will be common. So we have taken 6ab common in both of them. So it will become 6ab. Here we will write 2a because 6ab into 2a will become 12a square b, and here we will get b. We can see 6ab into 2a, 12a square b, and 6ab into b will become 6ab square. Now this 2a cube plus b cube. Now this 6ab can be written and we have to write in this form. So 3 a's are this one and b. So 6ab is written as 3 into 2a into b, so that we can get this form. Now we can have, see, this is a cube plus b cube plus pab a plus b. So now that will be equals to a plus b whole cube. That will be equals to 2a plus b whole cube. So it can be written as whole cube. So 2a plus b 3 times 2a plus b and 2a plus b. Now let us take another example. We will factorize 64a cube plus 27b cube plus 144a square b and plus 108ab square. 64a cube is the cube of 4a and 27b cube is the cube of 3b plus, now we will take common in this between these two. Between 144 and 108, the common is 36. 36 ab will be common here. 36 4s are 144 and 36 3s are 108. So we will write here 3a, 36 3s are, 36 4s are 144 and 36 3s are this. Now some of you might be getting difficulty in finding the common between these two. So what we can do is we can take the SCF of 144 and 108. Or what we can do is we can take 3ab. Now what is a in this case? 4a and 3b. So 4a and 3b. So 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and a into b is ab. So 36 ab. So you can take the SCF also between these two, or you can use this method also to get the common here. Now that will be 4a cube plus 3b cube plus, now this 36ab has to be written in this form, 3ab form. So it is 3 is 4a and 3b. So you can see here 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36ab and 4a plus 3b. So now we are getting the form identity a cube plus b cube plus p a b a plus b. So now we'll be using, that will be equals to a plus b whole cube. That will be 4a plus 3b whole cube. So we'll write 3 times. So it becomes 4a plus 3b, 4a plus 3b and 4a plus 3b. So this is the factorization of 64a cube plus 27b cube plus 144a square b plus 108ab square by using the identity a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b.